And this bedroom's looking better for a start, with that awful feature wall on. And here we have the bathroom. We've tiled on this wall to keep it neat and tidy, and tiled the window ledge. There was no tiles on that wall before. And this is where the vanity is going, skirting tile along there. And we have tiled the shower and taken the tile up higher and taken the tile all the way across behind the toilet, which is always a neater look to tile right behind the toilet. And this is how it looks from the other side. And we have a nice tiled ledge over there. So nearly done here, probably only a few more days. And there's a very small hob on this shower, which makes it a lot easier to get in and out. And we're just using a shop-bought vanity, 900 wide. Only costs about $400 odd. Easy to install. And we'll take the mirror all the way to the top with a bit of splashback tile in there. All looking good.